We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing an in-sink aerator. It's a Badger 1. It's a 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal. And there's the model serial number right there. Anyway, so new flange there that was really loose, and the putty is old and dry. We just like to put a new flange in there with a new disposal. That way we make sure there's no leaking up top as well. Existing hose, that's your 7/8 discharge hose coming up high loop in the back. Not code, but not our installation. And so that's tied back in. We took apart everything I had down here. What they'd done, whoever originally plumbed it came out with a vent 90, which is that ABS pipe back there. They have fittings that that you can use on drain lines, but not a vent 90. Anyways, we cut that off, put a brand new 60-degree turn on there, piece of pipe adapter, gave you a new tubular trap and extension, a new tubular telescoping kit that comes over to the disposal, and of course a new tail piece going up to the basket strainer. That's yours in place. So that's not our work. We did give you a new nut up top because the old one was kind of corroded. So that's all new. We got here, water was leaking out of the bottom of the disposal, following the cord down and soaking the bottom of the cabinets. We believe that was the only issue. We don't see any corrosion anywhere else, anything else dripping. And we're not here to run the dishwasher and make sure that hose is, you can see it's up in here. It's connected, you can see up in there to the dishwasher hose, and so that's not ours, but you'd have to run the dishwasher and make sure that's not leaking as well. It's a high loop that was installed by the previous plumber. So anyways, we've run lots of water down here. We don't see any leaking. Outside of that, this installation is done.